My motto for trading any cryptocurrency pair is trade it when it's hot and trash it when it's cold. So if you want to be a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader for the long term, you've got to stop holding and hoping in any cryptocurrency pair. You've got to stop holding cryptocurrencies and hoping they will massively rise in price action very soon. Every cryptocurrency pair, it's only a scam. They are only there to make you profits if you can take advantage of the wonderful opportunities in the markets, but they will definitely wipe away your entire account if you hold and hope in cryptocurrencies. Don't hold cryptocurrencies and hope they will massively rise in price action pretty soon. Don't believe in whatever you've been told in the past. Don't believe what the YouTubers are telling you. Hold this particular cryptocurrency pair in the next 2 days, in the next 1 month. It's going to 10x, it's going to 20x. Don't believe in that. If you truly want to be in the market for a pretty long time, you've got to trade cryptocurrencies and forget about investing in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies can literally wipe away your entire account. I mean, it can literally wipe away your entire account. I don't care where you're from, who you are. I want to help you get better at trading cryptocurrencies. I want you to be a successful cryptocurrency trader and not a cryptocurrency investor. Do not believe in any cryptocurrency that promises to be one of the best blockchain platforms on the internet. Don't believe in any cryptocurrency. They are only a trading vehicle and not an investment vehicle. Don't hold cryptocurrencies and hope they will rise in price action pretty soon. They would definitely never rise in price action. They would definitely wipe away your entire account. And I'm telling you this because I've been in the cryptocurrency markets for literally 10 years now, and I can pretty much say I have lost a lot of money when I first started. I lost a lot of capital when I first started my crypto trading business. And I am telling you right now, with so much experience, what can you do to make money in the cryptocurrency market? It's trading cryptocurrencies. We've seen lots of best performing cryptocurrencies over the past week, and they are continuing to perform pretty well. You want to put your money into trading and not investing in cryptocurrencies. Don't believe in any cryptocurrency. Don't believe in what YouTubers are telling you. Buy this cryptocurrency and hold it for the next 1 month. Buy this cryptocurrency and hold it. It would 10x, it would 20x. That would definitely wipe away your entire account if you stick to that policies. If you stick to watching YouTube videos, if you stick to watching YouTubers telling you to buy this particular cryptocurrency pair that it would 10x over time, you are already on your way to failure. You would definitely fail in this business if you follow the instructions of YouTubers who are just telling you buy this particular cryptocurrency, it would 10x, it would 20x. Don't believe in that. Don't hold cryptocurrencies and think they will definitely rise pretty soon. I'm telling you this with so much experience. I've been trading the cryptocurrency markets for literally 10 years right now, and I can pretty much say I have gone through the good and the bad. So if you want to be a profitable cryptocurrency trader for the long term, you've got to stop. You've got to stop holding cryptocurrencies that are massively dumping below your entry price. I want you to stop hoping they will rise in price action very soon, because you are trading in a very manipulated cryptocurrency market. You're trading in any exchange, you're trading in a very manipulated cryptocurrency markets. I don't care what exchange you trade. If you trade in a Binance exchange, if you trade in a hobby platform, the Gate platform, you are trading in a very, very manipulated markets. So don't hold cryptocurrencies believing they will rise someday soon. I want you to learn how to trade so you can literally make a lot of money in the cryptocurrency markets. Forget about holding that particular cryptocurrency that someone said, hey, hold it 20 days time, 1 year time, 1 month time. Hey, we're talking about your capital. I want you to be very conservative. I want you to protect your trading capital, which is more important than the profits you're looking forward to making in the market. You will definitely make profits in the market if you understand how to trade properly. And that's why I'm making these videos, to help you understand how to trade the markets literally very, very well. I've been in this business for literally 10 years now, and I can boldly say you are not going to be successful if you continue to hold cryptocurrencies and hope they will rise one day or someday soon. Thank you.